What's up, everybody? Coming back at you again with another car video. Now, let me tell you, a few days ago, Chris said that we had a car that was so clean, you could literally eat off the engine, right? I mean, it's got to be a really clean car to sit there and eat off the engine. Well, guess what? We got another car just like that out here today. This one here, a Toyota Prius V hybrid. So clean, I can eat off the engine, right? Oh, here we go. Yeah. So stay with us. I'm not eating what Chris was eating, but I'm gonna show you that clip here in just a second of another super clean Toyota for sale from Southern Motor Company. So here we go. Is that not the cleanest truck you've ever seen? Hold on a minute.
Hello.
What is he over there doing? He is sitting here eating off the engine compartment. Chris, you know, it's really that clean, isn't it?
It's that clean.
What are you eating right now? It looks like pizza.
Actually, I went and got some Little Caesars.
Yeah. Wow. Little Caesars pizza right off the engine compartment. I mean, you got to be telling me, I mean, that is one clean motor. All right, everybody. You know, I really wasn't joking around. I mean, this Prius is such a clean vehicle. It's so clean, you can eat off the engine, the floors, the seats. I mean, it's that clean. And I'm going to show you that today. You know, it's not every day that cars come around as clean as this, or even that Toyota Tundra that Chris was eating, the Little Caesars pizza. Little Caesars, right? Yeah, but it's true. We do get some of the cleanest cars in Charleston right here at our store. Now, this being a 2012, and right now we're in 2021, and this car has around 66,000 miles on it. So let's go ahead and get the video started. Let me go ahead and show you the car, take it for a quick drive, and tell you why this is probably going to be the best Prius V to buy in the market right now in the Carolinas for $12,990. Here we go. All right, so there it is, right? Yeah, look at it. I mean, what a clean Toyota Prius. And again, it's a Prius V. So truly, it's a much better version because it's so much bigger and much cargo space and all that stuff. Now here, what is he doing? Now, Chris doesn't know what just happened on camera, but I actually just ate off the engine of the Prius V, and they just watched the clip of you in the Toyota Tundra eating pizza. And what are you doing now, bud?
Just for cleaning up in the office, I picked up my lightsaber.
Yeah.
And this is off my Voltron cup from Denny's from like 7 years ago.
Holy macaronis.
Yeah, we're just cleaning up, walking around. I should probably get back to work and actually help us make some money.
Now, I just explained to everybody, I mean, this has got to be the nicest Prius in Charleston right now for sale.
Yeah, that's how we got it.
Yeah.
She bought her, they know she bought her Tesla?
No, I haven't even told them yet.
Yeah,
no.
she bought her Tesla.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that beautiful Tesla that's always sitting out here in the background of the videos.
She went from partial electric
to
full electric.
Full electric. I love it. There you go. So, yeah, we're having a little fun today. And it's a beautiful day. So let's start rolling through, checking it out. Got the tinted windows, beautiful paint, and all that good stuff, right? I love how he said that, partial electric to full electric. So yeah, if you're just kind of dipping your toe in the electric car business where you're getting yourself something, this is the great start to maybe one day having a full electric vehicle. You know, your hybrid, you just can't go wrong with it, right? Still getting great fuel economy. And one thing is for sure, if you're a little bit concerned on buying a hybrid or an electric vehicle, Toyota has been around forever. And the Priuses have been around for quite a while now, where people are already feeling very confident in owning a hybrid car made by Toyota. So you can't go wrong there. Anyways, look at all the cargo space in the back. That right there is the selling feature of this car, is all the extra room in the back and in the second row and the front row. It's a lot of space. So stay with us. Let's go ahead and walk around, and we're gonna go ahead and crank her up and see what she's all about. Now this one has the leather interior, the gray, the power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. And when I said clean earlier, I wasn't joking, y'all. Look at that. Look how clean those seats are. My goodness. Yes, you literally could put a, you know, a slice of pie there and just eat it right off the seat. It's just that nice. You just can't go wrong